My name is Darren Hannum. I'm the sales director for Arch Technology. We're a boutique firm, and we focus on multi-phase, multi-technology, multi-geographic, complex solutions to our clients' problems. When we founded this company, we knew we wanted to be inside a high security facility. One of the key factors to selecting Iron Mountain was this is a FISMA high security facility. So our large healthcare, financial services companies can feel like their data is safe and protected inside of this environment. We were looking for a trustworthy partner for our business. We're very client focused, and we rely on our vendors to provide just about every aspect of our ability to deliver our services. Iron Mountain's always been there for us. All the way through a pandemic, we got to keep our business moving forward. This has been a safe space throughout. One of the other true benefits of Iron Mountain is when you're a tenant here, you have access to this facility. When you bring a client out here for a presentation, when you look around these gorgeous facilities, it's your facility while you're in there. I've had meetings in here with 16 people from my client. We will do a walk around the facility just to show them the benefits of Iron Mountain. An enormous benefit of Iron Mountain's facilities are you have peering from just about every service provider here. If you need circuits, you've got multiple service providers that you can buy those circuits from, and they can compete against each other for your business. You know, the value of Iron Mountain when we were looking for a partner was they had this entire catalog of services that we could draw from, even to the point of being able to spin up smart hands and have it build in 15-minute increments. We have, on multiple occasions, drawn upon Iron Mountain's ability to deliver professional services to complement our ability to get things done quickly for our clients. Iron Mountain's global footprint has absolutely won us business in that when we respond to RFPs, we show our connectivity to a global infrastructure. When you go after large enterprise business, they require that type of footprint. It allows a small firm like Arch Technology to compete with the best and largest firms out there.